let's provide grass blue, and we continue here, and there is wall inside, there is wall masonry and wall inside casing and outside casing. And also we continue by changing the casing. Let's provide like 10 for the casing, and it is 25 outside casing. Okay, let's provide like 10 for the thickness of the casing, 10, and we continue. It have like 10, yes, 10 is 100. Here let's provide 100 as we are using millimeter. Here it is also 100. Here let's use 25, it is good. So the color of the casing, let's provide like black, ivory black. So now we can click OK to see if the settings of the window that we have provided are well applied. Wow, you can see that our window have changed. And also what we have to do is to change the color of the window. If you want to edit like the color, you have to go in the window selection and you go on the model attribute. You can change the different color from the grasses. You can provide like grass clear first. Yeah, you see that each changes immediately. So these are the main settings of the window that we can provide in the design of a window, so that our window can have the good appearance. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get the more of my video tutorials. Thank you.